Bristol, Virginia.
This is Shannon?
Yeah.
Gotcha. So, yeah, this was you wanted $85K, but you needed to finish transferring the deed in your name before you sold it?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Did you finish getting all that taken care of?
Actually, no, we didn't. But Mama is on board, and we're good to go. I just had a lady come out, and she looked at the place, whatever. She's a real estate agent, didn't sign no papers or do nothing like that. But she's wanting to. She said I shouldn't have no problem getting 100 out of it. On the other hand, it would be a waiting game. We would have, it might take a month or so. And the whole family's decided to go ahead and, do the move. So the sooner the better.
Okay. How many square feet is the mobile home again?
Man, I think like around 1,200. It's 16 wide by 70. Oh man, 72, I believe, or 76. Three-bedroom, two beds. Like we've completely remodeled, put a new roof on, put a porch on, put a walkway in. It's flat ground. There's a creek on the back. There's 1 acre. She said if we wanted to set for, if we had 2 months, that we could get 140 and it wouldn't be a problem. But time is our only problem. We're just, we don't want to wait. We've already looked at, places down at the beach, and my mother-in-law, father-in-law, they all but sold their place, and they're just waiting on us.
Gotcha. So how much are you willing to sell it for to be done quickly?
To be done quickly, if it's cash, no keys, no nothing, I would do the 85.
I mean, that's not really giving me too much of a deal there, though. I mean, because if you list it with the realtor, I mean, you're probably going to be paying about $7 in fees and stuff. But I mean, I get where you're coming from. Let me do that.
She said the way that they would do it was they would list it at a price, and whoever bought it would cover the cost with their loan.
Yeah, but
and the place, so you can get 140 out of the place. That's not going to be a problem. So I mean, that leaves plenty of room for profit.
Yeah, but when she's saying that, I mean, she's just saying that you're not like stroking a check for it. I mean, if they pay $100,000, the realtor commissions and closing costs is coming out of that $100,000. They're not giving you $100,000 and paying extra for the commissions and stuff. So,
well, she was talking about listing, like, I told her specifically that if we can't leave with 95, then I don't even want to proceed.
Gotcha.
So, and that's waiting, possibly
it's mobile home,
maybe a month at the most.
So where you're built, I'm gonna need to see an RV on that thing, but
like I said, the sooner the better.
It's not Virginia, bro. It's basically Tennessee.
I had one in Bristol before.
All right. Is there any chance you can send me pictures?
Yeah, I can do that.
Can I give you a different phone number to send me? Because this is a landline. Is it easier for you to text or email?
I can text. That's fine.
All right.
You grab something to write with here.
All right.
I know trailers don't, like the mobile home part doesn't doesn't exactly hold, value as long as like a home would.
Right. It's 1 acre.
1 acre.
Are you ready for the phone number?
I just grabbed something to write. We're getting stuff packed up and ready to move. Stuff's out of sorts.
Dude's assuming the
Okay,
sale.
I'm ready.
Oh yeah, he's getting out.
It's 972
Okay.
322
Okay.
2160.
Okay.
Yeah, so send those pictures over and let me take a look at it. Let me see if we can do the 85 and we'll get right back to you, okay?
All right. Sounds good.
All right, thanks, Shannon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, on to more exciting news
All right.
besides the mobile home that you're excited about in the middle of nowhere, Virginia. Seller is texting Justin pictures. Just got a no down payment seller finance deal in Ohio.
What's up with you and these no down payments? How you keep doing that?
Well, they ask you how much do you want to put down, and I say nothing, and then I sit there and they say okay. So,
Hello?
hey Shannon, it's RJ.
Hey man, how we doing?
Pretty good. Did you see that we sent you over a contract for your property?
No, I didn't see that.
Should be in your email.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get so many emails a day, and I took a nap, and when I woke up, I had a whole bunch, and I just wiped them off my phone. I didn't.
Here, I'll send it again.
That's okay. I can find it.
There you go. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this done for you here.
Do you know about how long it'll take, or?
I've got the closing date of on or before July 14th.
Okay. Okay, so that fits the timeline pretty well.
There you go.
My last day of work, where I put my notice in, my last day would be July the 2nd.
That gives you a couple weeks to get backed up and get ready for the move.
That sounds like it, man.
All right. Well, you want to take a look at that? Let me know if you got any questions. If not, you can go ahead and get that signed and we'll get the process started. All right.
All right. Oh, here we go. Okay, review. is this saying that taxes is going to come out of the portion that I will be getting, or?
Yeah, so the prorated taxes for this year will come out of your proceeds. So you will pay for essentially 6 months of taxes because you've owned it for the 6 months of 2023.
Okay, do you know what that is?
I can give you an idea. Yeah, let me look it up real quick.
Actually, I can save you the time, I believe. Let me go grab my papers. All right. Based on this, it will be 163.74. That sound right to you?
I don't know. I'm trying to get it pulled up right now. Yes, it is not much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're only going to pay half of that, so it's like $80.
Okay. I'm going to take this paper or this email. Me and my wife are going to look it over, and as soon as I don't want to rush it. I want to be able to read it.
Yep.
And I will get it signed and get back with you.
All right, sounds good. Let me know if you can get it signed this evening. Is there availability for us to come out there tomorrow?
Yep.
All right. So yeah, as soon as you sign that, then you'll probably be hearing from the rest of my team because we already have people in the area, not here in Texas, but people in the area ready to come out there. So I kind of assumed that based off of our conversation earlier, this was pretty much like, hey, you're ready to rock and roll. So if there's no issues with the contract, we should be good to get this process going. It's good. I didn't know how quickly you'd want to move, so I put that July 14th closing on there because I was worried that you would actually want it to be quicker than that, but that's good. So, but yeah, just let me know if you have any questions, and we'll get this process started. Okay.
I mean, as far as the 14th, if we can make it happen before then, that's even better. If not, the 14th, that'll work.
Right.
That will give us time to, get everything packed up and get rid of, whatever we don't want.
Right.
And, yeah. All right. Well, I'll look over the contract and I will give you a call back.
So I'm going to be probably leaving the office here pretty soon. But if you want to shoot me a text to that other number or just if you don't have any questions, you can just sign the contract and then you'll be hearing from us probably first thing in the morning. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, Shannon. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hey, Shannon. It's RJ from Titanium Investments. How you doing?
Pretty good. How's it going?
Pretty good. Just wanted to follow up and see if you guys had gotten your attorney to review the contract.
She wasn't able to print it. Before, is there any way you could send it in a PDF where she can print it out so her attorney can look over it?
Yeah. I mean, if you just open it, yeah. I mean, I could do that. I mean, there's a way to do it on there. I mean, you can open it up and you can download it. But yeah, I can send it. I'm already at to cancel this one and send a new one because the dates are changing.
Right. I got some people here looking at it right now.
Buyers?
Yeah, I mean, potentially.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess I'll let you get to that. I mean, so I mean, how long are you guys going to need to review this contract? Because I mean, I don't want to just have $85,000 just set aside to buy this property if you guys are going to be, showing it to other buyers, and days go by where we're waiting on an attorney to review the contract and stuff. I don't want to. I've got money set aside to do this deal, so I need to know if we're serious or not.
All right, well, send me a printable contract, and we'll have the lawyer look it over and make sure it's all legit. And if it is, then there's a lot of scams going on, man. I ain't trying to lose my place.
I mean,
if it's legit,
you can't lose your place. You're losing it, but you're getting $85,000 for it. I mean, but I get it. I mean, yeah, I'll send it over to you. I mean, we're closing at a title company. I mean, so yeah. I mean, yeah. All right, man. Well, I'll send it over to you. I mean, also you can tell your family if they're skeptical about it, they could Google me. I mean, you can look me up. I mean, I'm all over the place. I've bought deals in 49 states. I literally teach people how to do real estate investing. I've been on TV doing real estate flips. So, I mean, I get it. There's a lot of scams, but I'm pretty public. So, but yeah, I'll send it over to you, and you guys let me know what you think. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Appreciate it. No. Gotta put homie in his place there. Like, bro, what are we doing now? Well, yeah, we got somebody over here looking at it. Yeah. So we're gonna chillax on my contract while you're showing it to somebody else. A hard pass on that. You get 24 hours to sign the contract.